Flash Month.
This is a flash flood warning for Riverside, Orange, and San Bernardino County.
Flash flood warning for the following counties in California: Orange, Riverside, and San Bernardino. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a flash flood warning for Orange County in southwestern California, San Bernardino County in southern California, Riverside County in southern California until 5:30 p.m. At 2:30 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated widespread heavy rain across the warned area of Orange County and the entire Inland Empire. Flash flooding will likely begin shortly. Rainfall rates of 0.50 to 0.75 inches per hour will occur through 5 p.m. Saturated soils will result in rapid, intense urban and small stream flooding, which will be dangerous to vehicles and threaten properties in low-lying areas. There is also a good possibility of debris flows and landslides. The debris flow can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Some locations that will likely experience flooding include Anaheim, Santa Ana, Riverside, Irvine, San Bernardino, Fontana, Moreno Valley, Huntington Beach, Garden Grove, Ontario, Corona, Orange, Fullerton, Costa Mesa, and Temecula. Excessive rainfall over the Blue Tedburn Scar will likely result in debris flow moving through the pond drainage. The debris flow can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials.